Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I welcome you today to this channel. This is Lasujeni Stock. Okay, what I have to share with you today is cryptos OTC, that is cryptos over the counter. Instant withdrawal proof, start making money in USDT, explore AI in wealth creation. Alright, let me start by saying USDT is a cryptocurrency that has the same value, that is, it is equivalent to US dollar, that is 1:1. So it is a cryptocurrency. And what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are digital assets, digital currency. Okay, now it has been established that you can make money in cryptocurrency, but before you be a crypto trader, there are some factors that you need to consider. There are some things that you need to know, like the exchange site to get it done, how to create an account, how to have a wallet, then the technical analysis, how to know the market trend, how to discover the bullish and the bearish time of a particular coin. So all these things, all these terms, they are what you need to know. So for this reason, it makes cryptocurrency trading more tedious. So there is a particular way whereby you can get it done easily, and that is by the use of artificial intelligence. So you can start making money in USDT by making use of artificial intelligence, and this AI, it is embedded in this platform called cryptos OTC, cryptos over the counter. So I'm going to be showing you instant withdrawal. I will show you how to start, how to get started, and I'm going to show you how to trade and how to withdraw in this video. So but before I go deeper, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasujeni Stock. Okay, Lasujeni Stock is a channel that is created to share with my ideas on online investment. So it is created to share with you financial educational contents, all right, so that I can review online investment platform and give you my sincere recommendation, which should serve as a basis for your own personal decision. So you are also expected to do your own diligent research before you venture into any of the programs that I am sharing with you here, because you need to be responsible for your action. All right, so if you are new on this channel, or if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe now and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next update. Okay, so that you are not going to miss out of the next information. And if you think this video is very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family, so that they too can be financially liberated. Okay, once again, what we are sharing today is cryptos OTC, cryptos over the counter platform. Instant withdrawal proof, start making money in USDT, explore AI in wealth creation. For that reason, let me take you to the platform directly. So this is the app here. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the app here. So I click on it. Okay, so now let me read some things for you here. So this is how it looks like. This is the interface. So let me go to the official so that I can read some information for you there. Okay, so global environment over the counter trading platform. Over the counter trading platform, safe, stable and credible. Okay, company profile. COTP is a blockchain, OTC and cryptocurrency exchange platform. We are committed to improving the liquidity of blockchain assets and allowing more people to enter the blockchain industry. We provide users with a more free and safer trading environment, use AI intelligence, that is artificial intelligence, algorithms to match users with the best orders, and continue to bring you benefits. We focus on building an efficient cryptocurrency exchange platform and establish cooperation with 3,000 plus zero OTC traders around the world. It is currently the world's largest OTC exchange. Okay, so this is their technology. You can read through on these services. When it comes to any risk of cryptocurrency trading through an exchange, COTP ensures the highest form of security. We also provide instant customer service support for any problems that users have during their transaction. So this is very, very okay. So it makes it very, very secure to use. All right. Now this is a KYC. You need to do your KYC, that is know your customer ID verification, so that you can verify your identity after you have registered. Okay, though you can, it's not an hindrance to the transaction. You can withdraw and you can make deposit, you can trade before you do this, but it is also expected of you to do. Okay, now what is digital currency? Digital currency is an alternative currency in the form of electronic money. Then what is OTC? OTC is the abbreviation of over the counter. To put it more simply, the service provided by OTC is similar to the cryptocurrency eBay. So it just serves like an arbitrage, like an intermediary between two users. So then it buys at a lower price and sells at a higher price. So then you are going to capitalize on the price difference, which will be accumulated at the end of the day, and that is your own profit. Why use USDT as a payment currency? USD is a decentralized digital currency linked to the US dollar. So they are equivalent in value and in price. That is by the ratio 1 to 1. Ratio 1 to 1. Now, these are the team behind this company. The first one is Jenny, COTP and CEO, Van Fleet, COTP and CIO, Lisa, COTP and COO. So before you jump into any online investment, make sure that there are some team behind the company, and make sure that their identity is not ambiguous for you to verify, because this is one of the things that you just need to know in your own research about any online investment. Then insurance protection. All digital assets held in online storage are fully insured. So in case of any unforeseen circumstance, whatever might befall this company, that means your asset is insured according to the information that we have here. All digital assets are underwritten by the FDIC insurance up to a maximum of $250 per customer. So the insurance capacity is $250,000 for every customer. So you can see that this is great, and they have the backup for every customer in case something may want to go wrong. Now, all this, they are the information from the government authorities. They are the information that was given to them as a document for their successful registration of the business and for them to carry out financial operation. So let's go back so that you can see all these documents clearly. So just come to the About Us button here and click on it here. So you can see Cryptos OTC Trading Platform Limited, COTP, is generally regulated on both the federal and state level, and the primary regulatory compliance of regulations are within the United States. COTP is required to comply with many financial services and consumer protection laws. So you can see that they are duly registered under the US government. Though this is not an audacity for you to register or to trade with them. This is not a tendency and is not a guarantee, but you just need to know these things about them before you decide to join. Okay, so, and this is solely for financial education, not for financial advice. So I'm just trying to show you some of the ways whereby I am generating residual income for myself. Okay, so this is their MSB registration number 31000200921695. You can check it out, and this is the document they received from the Financial Crime Enforcement Network Department of the Treasury. So this is what they derive. This is what they were given. You can also check through this to check the authenticity. Okay, you can also browse through their website for more information. So they are duly registered to carry out financial operation under the US government. Okay, so now let's go back to the trading activities. So after you have successfully registered, you need to download the app through their website, because there are several fake apps there. they just use the app to get your information and wipe away all your money. So you just need to be very, very careful. So for you to download the app, just click on the download center here. Then you are going to select Google Play or download from official website. I will advise you to download from the official website because there are several fake app on the Google Play that looks like COTP. So I think you should download from the official website. So after you have downloaded it, then you need to register, and then you need to do your verification, that is authentication, so that your account will be verified. So after that, you are going to deposit and you start your trade immediately. So for you to do that, you click on mine here. You click on mine here. You click on mine. So after you have clicked on mine, you click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, then you are going to see the minimum recharge amount is 9. So you are going to see this alphanumeric code here, and that is the wallet address for your own account. Then you click on copy and you take it to your own wallet, that is external wallet, to deposit there. So you take it to the external wallet to deposit there. So after that, within few minutes, it's going to reflect in your account. It's going to reflect there. So you now click on the transaction all down here. Transaction all down here. So when you clicked on it, then your in your wallet app balance, let's assume you have 60 days. I have it here. Then you click on immediate competition for orders. So when you click on it, the system will search globally for high priced orders for you. You can see I have been linked with another user here, and the currency is EUR, that is euro. So you can see here the market price is 0.91 and the transaction price is 0.92. So I'm having 0.01 USDT here. So for this, I will be having like 35 cents profit on this particular trade. So when I click on trade, it's going to start immediately. But because I want to make withdrawal in this video, I won't start the trade now. I won't click on sell. So let me cancel. So that is how to go about it. You can see the result of my trading activities. You can see the result here. So these are my trading activities, and it drops every 2 hours. So just after you have clicked on sell, then you need to come back every 2 hours, because the trade will take approximately 2 hours for to complete. So for you to engage in more trading activities to increase your profit, then you should come back every 2 hours to trade, and it will be automatic. You trade every 2 hours. What I mean by automatic is that the system will connect you with a particular user. So you'll be connected, all right, with a high price order, so that you can make your own profit. So you can see my trading activity. Let me show you the income statistic as well. So starting from on the 11th of March, you can see 0.9. I have 0.9 here, 0.9 on the 12th, 1.0, 13, 1.3, 14, 1.5, on 15, 1.2, on the 16, 1.6, on the 17, 1.4, and on the 18, 0.34, and it's still counting now. So this is my record for a week. This is my week trading activity. So now for you to withdraw, you click on mine again, then you click on withdraw here. So you must have set your transaction password, and you must have set your withdrawal address. Okay, so you must have set your transaction password and your withdrawal address. So you now input the amount you want to withdraw here. Let me type in 60.3. I want a whole number in my wallet address, 60.1. Okay, let me make it 60.12. Sorry, let me make it 60.2. Okay, so this, and I'm going to get 60.01 in my wallet address. So the transaction password. So let me pause this video so that I can input my transaction password. Okay, I have successfully added my transaction password. So I will now click on send verification. So send verification, that means the verification code will be sent to my registered number. So I'm waiting for that. Let me click on the autofill so that I can get it immediately it arrived. So okay, let me input it. So that's all. Then I click on submit. So submission, successful submission, confirm. Confirm. All right, so I'm going to wait for it to appear in my wallet address. So that is how to go about the withdrawal process. So let me wait for it to drop. Let me pause this video a bit. Okay, I want to tell you that right now, in less than a minute, my withdrawal here it's reflecting my wallet address now. So let me show you the proof. So you can see I withdrew 60.2 here. So this is the proof right now. Sorry, this is the proof. The deposit detail 60.01, I approximately 60.2 because of the charge that was deducted. You can still see my wallet address here. So it is very, very fast, very, very swift. So this is a platform whereby your withdrawal will appear in your wallet address in less than a minute. So you too, you can explore this opportunity now and increase your residual income on daily basis. Increase your residual income on daily basis. So this is how I personally, one of the ways whereby I've been making money online. So I think it's worth sharing with you. So this is where I'm going to put I will stop this video right now so that I can share with you another content on it tomorrow. So I will still deposit back, and I'm going to show you in my subsequent video on COTP. So to me, COTP is one of the ways whereby you can generate online money, whereby you can generate passive income on daily basis. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if you are yet to subscribe, it is very, very important you subscribe to this channel, Lasojeni Biztalk. Click on the notification bell and set it to all notifications. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.